I got on the train before the age of reason. I watched as everyone else got on and off along the way. My train ride had some unscheduled stops, but basically it just moved forward, sometimes speeding up, sometimes slowing down, but either way, I never looked back. That's the thing about train rides. They pick you up and they take you places you never meant to go, never knew existed, or thought you'd never see. I lost my dad early on the ride, but he stayed with me right by my side, tucked in my shirt, right here in my heart. I will carry him all the way to the end, and I thank him and my mother for putting me on the train. I'm pretty sure it was them. And then along with every flower and all the trees that whizzed past me, every dog and cat and horse trail, I saw my memories reflected in the glass, especially when we'd meet another train whooshing past, going in the other direction. I think sometimes what their train ride would be like, always moving backwards from where I came, but I guess it's all relative, and in my mind, I can't take in all the subtleties of a hypothetical trip. I just know the ride I'm on. I got off and stayed a while in some very unscheduled stops. I guess unscheduled describes my train ride to a T for a train. And if you want to ride by my side, well, you'll be taking some chances. I think about where I've been and where I'm going. Always the mystery. I surrender myself to the end of the line. Actually, I rejoice in pure gratitude. My train ride has been magnificent. And as I dance to the beat of the clickety-clack and hypnotize my eyes watching miles of track, although as I said before, I never look back, I don't have to. All my memories travel inside. They're all here with me. So, would I do it all over again? Why bother asking me that? Ask yourself, wouldn't you?